tech industry is facing massive layoffs. AI is automating more tasks than ever, and many developers are left wondering, will coding jobs still be in demand in 2025? In this video, we'll break down why so many tech workers are getting laid off, how AI is reshaping the job market, and what you can do to future-proof your career as a developer. Stick around because the future of coding is changing fast. Over the past year, we've seen huge layoffs from companies like Google, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft. Even startups and mid-sized tech firms are making deep cuts. But why is this happening? First, the pandemic tech boom led to overhiring. Companies expanded rapidly, assuming the demand for digital services would keep growing. But as interest rates rose and the economy slowed down, these same companies had to cut costs. Second, AI and automation are making companies rethink their workforce. With tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and AI-powered development assistants, businesses can do more with fewer engineers. This means that entry-level and repetitive coding jobs are at the highest risk of being replaced. Lastly, there's a shift towards contract and freelance work. Instead of hiring full-time developers, companies are outsourcing short-term projects to cut expenses, which is completely changing the way programmers need to approach their careers. AI is already writing code, debugging, and even developing full applications. Tools like GPT-4, Claude, and Microsoft's AI tools are making it easier for companies to build software without needing large teams of engineers. But does this mean coding jobs are disappearing? Not exactly. AI is great at handling repetitive coding tasks, but it still struggles with complex problem solving, system architecture, and creative development. The most successful developers in 2025 will be those who know how to work with AI, not against it. Instead of spending hours writing boilerplate code, developers will focus more on high-level problem solving, debugging AI-generated code, and integrating AI into projects. Those who can combine coding skills with AI expertise will be in the highest demand. Another major shift is happening in low-code and no-code platforms. Businesses are increasingly relying on platforms like Bubble, Webflow, and Zapier to build applications without traditional coding. While this may seem like a threat, developers who understand how to extend and customize these platforms will have a competitive edge. Rather than simply writing code, future programmers will act more as problem solvers, system architects, and AI integrators, ensuring that AI-generated solutions actually meet business needs. With AI evolving so fast, how can you make sure your skills stay relevant? Here are 3 key ways to future-proof your career. First, specialize in high-value skills like AI development, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and DevOps. These areas require deep expertise and aren't easily automated. Second, learn how to use AI as a tool. Instead of fearing AI, embrace it. Tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and AI-assisted debugging can make you 10x more productive. The best developers in 2025 will be AI-augmented engineers. Third, develop problem-solving and critical thinking skills. AI can generate code, but it still needs humans to understand business needs, create solutions, and fix unexpected issues. The more you focus on problem solving rather than just writing code, the more valuable you'll be in the job market. Lastly, consider freelancing or building your own tech products. As more companies shift to contract-based hiring, having your own projects or freelancing experience can give you an edge over those relying on traditional jobs. While AI is changing the tech industry, coding is far from dead. Instead, the role of developers is evolving. Those who adapt, specialize, and embrace AI will thrive, while those who stick to outdated methods may struggle. The key takeaway? The future of coding isn't just about writing lines of code. It's about solving problems, building smart systems, and working alongside AI to create innovative solutions. What do you think about the future of coding? Are you worried about AI replacing jobs, or do you see it as an opportunity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on AI, tech careers, and the future of programming. See you in the next one.